It's through the magic of functions. A function is a unique mapping from every element in a domain to an element in a codomain. Think of it as an intricate dance, where each step in the domain leads to a unique move in the codomain. Now, what are these terms domain, codomain, and range? Consider a function as a machine. The domain is the set of all possible inputs you can feed into this machine. The codomain is the set of all potential outputs it can produce. But not all potential outputs are actual outputs. The range is the set of all actual outputs produced by the function. The beauty of functions doesn't stop here. They can be composed. Picture two functions as two machines. The output of the first machine becomes the input of the second. This is the composition of functions. But remember, the range of the first function needs to intersect with the domain of the second for this composition to work. In the real world, this could be calculating shipping costs based on the weight of a package. The first function converts weight to cost per unit weight, and the second function multiplies it by the number of units. But tread carefully. The composition of functions usually doesn't follow the commutative property, meaning the order of composition matters. However, it does follow the associative property, meaning you can group functions without affecting the result. And then there's the inverse function. A function has an inverse if, for every output in its range, there's exactly one input in its domain. It's like retracing your steps in the dance, going backwards from the codomain to the domain. A real-world example? Converting temperatures from Fahrenheit to Celsius and vice versa. Now that we've danced through the world of functions, what have we learned? Functions are unique mappings from a domain to a codomain. They can be composed, but order matters. They can also have inverses, allowing us to retrace our steps. And most importantly, functions are everywhere, from calculating shipping costs to converting temperatures. So next time you're faced with a problem, remember, there might just be a function for that.